Welcome to our discussion on making money online. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for people to generate income from the comfort of their homes. With the right strategies and dedication, you can earn money through various online platforms. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a popular method of earning money by promoting products or services from other companies. You earn a commission for every sale or lead you generate through your unique referral link. To get started, join an affiliate program, choose products or services you enjoy, and promote them effectively on your blog, social media, or other platforms. Next, consider selling your own products or services online. If you have something to offer, you can create a website, blog, or social media page to showcase your products, and sell them through your website or online marketplaces like eBay or Amazon. This can be a great way to generate income from your passion or skill set. Another option is to offer freelance services. There are countless websites and platforms where you can find clients who need help with specific tasks, such as content creation, graphic design, or coding. Whether you excel in writing, design, or coding, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online. Finally, don't forget about the power of affiliate blogging. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services on your blog, you can earn a passive income stream. This requires dedication to creating valuable content, but the rewards can be significant. In conclusion, making money online is possible with the right strategies and dedication. By exploring various platforms and opportunities, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. So start exploring today and unlock your full potential.